Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to visit pole-bound West Bengal today to lay the foundation stone of several infrastructure projects. The Prime Minister is going to arrive at Kolkata airport after 3 p.m. and then go to Hooghly to address a public meeting in Dunlop factory ground. The factory has been shut since 2014 and the choice of the venue is obviously bound to send a political message about the decline of industries in Bengal. He is also going to inaugurate the extension of Kolkata metro line from Noapada to Dakshineshwar and flag off the first service there. He is going to inaugurate a 30-kilometer railway line between Kalaikunda and Jhargram. During his visit to the pole-bound state, Prime Minister Modi will dedicate the Azimganj to Har Rahat Road section of the Eastern Railway to the country, along with dedicating the third and fourth line of the Howrah-Bardhaman main railway line.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will flag off several rail projects today, and among them the most important is Dakshineshwar to Noapada extension of metro services. This is most important because the rail connectivity, metro connectivity will improve and the connectivity will become more easy from Dakshineshwar temple to Kalighat temple, and this is very significant for the people who are coming for religious reasons, because they want to go Kalighat temple and Dakshineshwar temple all together. And after this flagging of inauguration, they can go from Dakshineshwar temple to Kalighat temple by metro services with one connectivity. Cameraman Tapas Bairi, Anupam Mishra, India Today.
Prime Minister is going to inaugurate the Noapada to Dakshineshwar metro line. People of Kolkata are happy that their travel is going to reduce from today. The travel time will be reducing from today, in fact. Let's take a listen.
খুব ভালো হচ্ছে, আমাদের এখানেও যাত্রী বাড়বে, ওদের ওখানেও যাত্রী বাড়বে, আর একবার উঠলে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে চলে যাবে, কোনো ঝামেলাও নেই বাস গাড়ি, খুবই ভালো হবে।
कलकत्ता में बड़ा ट्रैफिक रहता है आने जाने में, तो एक बड़ा अच्छा लैंडमार्क होगा आई थिंक पब्लिक के लिए। माता जी के लिए ज़्यादा लोग दर्शन कर सकते हैं, उनको कन्वीनियंट टाइम चेंज होगा, टाइम बचेगा उनका। आई थिंक गुड डिसीजन। थैंक यू मोदी जी, थैंक यू मेट्रो टीम, थैंक यू कोलकाता वासियों के लिए।
এর ফলে আমাদের যাত্রীপত্র বেশি হবে, আমি একজন এখানে পুরোহিত, যাত্রীপত্র বেশি হবে, আমাদের একটু রুজি রোজগার বাড়বে, এটাই মায়ের কাছে আমাদের।
Suryagni continues to be with us. Suryagni, this has been one of the arguments of the BJP for a while now, that where is the development in Bengal? Where are the industries? You know, you're driving industries out of Bengal, and that's the message that the Prime Minister will be trying to drive home with the choice of the venue at the Dunlop factory today, isn't it? Apart from that, inaugurating a series of development projects.
Well, absolutely. And you know, if we just look back at the multiple sabhas, public meetings done by both the Trinamool and the BJP, the key agenda seems to be development. How? I'll be explaining. That is how, you know, Trinamool, especially Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee, have time and again stated that the development that has happened in West Bengal in the past 9 years under the rule of Trinamool Congress, or rather Mamata Banerjee, it is the epitome of development that has ever happened in West Bengal. She has slammed the 34 years of the left rule for the deterioration of the industrialization in West Bengal, and she has claimed that there has been massive, development, especially with investment pouring in, with job security and whatnot. Now, cut to the BJP's allegations that that the BJP has been always leading on the particular topic of development. There have been multiple senior BJP leaders, be it Dilip Ghosh, Mukul Roy, Kailash Vijayvargiya, or even Amit Shah, who have stated vehemently that the only person or the only family
we'll just come back to you for more on that, because there's a bit of a disturbance with your audio. Apologize to our viewers. Also, we'll try and fix that in a few minutes from now. But
hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.